outspoken war veteran and fierce critic of President Emerson Mnangagwa, Geza, has caused widespread concern after publishing a lengthy and emotionally charged message in which he suggested that his health may be failing. Sarabena mashoko buda pangwa ino Geza reveal out he's not feeling well. Then subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina muna mobile kwa mchinzi. Geza, who has previously publicly challenged what he described as Mnangagwa's 28th agenda, released a statement on social media platform X early Friday morning. In the message, he reflected on his role in Zimbabwe's liberation struggle, expressed deep disappointment with the current political leadership, and hinted that he may not have much time left. He opened the statement by addressing Zimbabweans directly, writing, "Fellow Zimbabweans, I come to you at this unusual hour, my heart heavy with sorrow." Geza went on to say he was saddened by the possibility that he might not witness political change in the country. "I'm in pain that I might not see the new Zimbabwe after Emerson, but I take solace in the hope that you will continue the faith for a free and prosperous nation, the Zimbabwe I fiercely fought for," he wrote. Throughout the message, Geza recounted the sacrifices made during the liberation struggle, criticized corruption within the current government, and called on citizens to continue pushing for change. The tone of the statement grew increasingly somber as he spoke about his physical condition, stating, "As I speak to you now, I feel my energy sapping. I might not be here tomorrow, next week, or next month." Below is Geza's full statement. "Fellow Zimbabweans, I come to you at this unusual hour. My heart heavy with sorrow. I am in pain that I may not see the new Zimbabwe after Emerson, but I take solace in the hope that you will continue the faith for a free and prosperous nation, the Zimbabwe I fiercely fought for. I have walked a difficult path, one filled with pain and sacrifice. Like many of you, I joined this struggle at a tender age. We fought fierce battles, and the memories of our dear comrades who fell to the enemy's guns and bombs still haunt us. But this did not deter us. I fortified our resolve. Each of us hoped to witness a better Zimbabwe, one where every dream counted. The colonial system was oppressively and socially, economically, and politically discriminatory. The oppressors stole our dignity, our humanity, and our livelihoods. We bled to reclaim what was rightfully ours, our dignity, identity, and humanity. I salute all the heroes of the liberation struggle, both alive and departed. To those who gave their lives, let me assure you, you did not die in vain. Your aspirations will soon be realized. When we recognize that Mugabe had betrayed the covenant forged in our battle for this country, we made the decision to remove him in November 2017, filled with the hope for a government that would correct those wrongs. I have since apologized for my role in that removal. Yet, what followed has been a nightmare. Mnangagwa fared even worse, completely neglecting the values we fought for. This is the first part. The statement released na Bombshell Geza. To continue, go and watch our next video. Pina comment section meduzi mafunzo emro kudipa msorope deep message na Bombshell Geza. So subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.